Now, I know you went crazy at a shopping frenzy and bought too many chickpeas and you don't know what to do with them. That's why Metal Chef's Try Not to Be Hopeless Sauce Edition is here to teach you what to do with them. Let's go. There's nothing more rock and roll than hummus and a carrot stick. Don't buy your hummus from the shop. It takes about 2 minutes to make. All you need is some tin chickpeas. To your chickpeas, just add a quarter of a cup of water. Put your garlic in. Squeeze the lemon juice. Turmeric. A little hint of chili. Just about a teaspoon. A heaped teaspoon of tahini. Add a little bit of cumin, not too much though. There we go, perfect. Alright, then we just add a little bit of olive oil, not too much. A little bit of salt. And your pepper. One more little blitz. Hummus! How do I like to eat it? I like to eat it on a wrap, on a sandwich, mushrooms on toast in the morning. You're having acid flashbacks, it can look like this. Smear it on your face, use it as a mud mask. Hey, who really gives a shit?